You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations, make sure to stay tuned. They've got more videos for you. Two different pronunciations. Now, as a name, it's normally pronounced as Carina. Now, in Spanish, Carina or Carina. In English, Carina, Carina. Now, as a word, it can also be pronounced as Carina. Carina. It's a keel-shaped anatomical part, a ridge or a process. It's also a constellation. So two different pronunciations. Carina as a name, I believe that's the most common pronunciation. Do you pronounce it Carina as a name? I don't think so. Carina or Carina. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.